As you can see, after sending the LP token from the Metamask wallet to your Moonfarm wallet, it appears in the Moonfarm wallet AWS ETH, and you can see here my deposit. Now you're ready for yield farming. In order to farm AWX, you should go to the section that says yield farming, and there you will find the pool for liquidity farming on Polygon. Make sure it's selected on Polygon, and you will find a pool AWS ETH, and there you can stake your LP token. Right now it's not in there yet. Just as an example, I will use USDT. If you click on the pool, you can select the amount, stake all, and you're ready to stake and earn AWX.